We just landed this morning. We're staying at the Intercontinental for 3 days. So yeah, here's the tour. I finally made it to the room. We have 2 beds, and outside we have a wonderful couch and a bathtub. There's currently a power outage right now, so you can't really see the bathroom, but here's a shower, here's the toilet, and maybe you can see the 2 sinks from here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and we're gonna be staying here for 3 days, so yeah, let's get into it. Of course, we have to have the best water in the world. Morning, we're going to be doing a river safari.
I'm excited at the same time. Family of 4. And these boats are Lexus V8 250 horsepower each. They can run in 6 to 4 inch deep water. So 6 to 4 is very shallow. We may have some animals in the river and go fast where we need to, and that's mostly over shallow bits. And where it's nice and deep, I will cruise. Okay, so let's start.
Alright, now we're on our way to the village. Alright, so this is a Kodowa village. I'm not sure how you spell it. So they are pounding kava root into powder.
We put the powder inside. Then we have to mix it like this. Squeeze it in.
Alright, so we got a bowl. And we're gonna drink. What is it? Kava. In case you were wondering how it tastes bitter and it makes your tongue numb. That was the welcome ceremony. Now I'm gonna eat some food. That was a very fun experience. I love how everyone here is just so friendly and everyone's so welcoming. It's been very fun to dance and eat and experience life with them.
Yeah, I mean the food was really good, and I also liked how everybody was just so welcoming.
This dude here.
Was there anyone in our third row?
As you can see, the driver just spun her hand around, which means that the boat is going to spin around, which means that there is a high likelihood of As you can see, she just did it again, which means we're gonna get wet again.
We are back to where we started off from.
Oh, wow.
Can you see the girl in red up on the top, on that side of the river? So she'll be taking pictures, and please don't look down.
Morning. It's our last full day here. Let's go to the ocean. Today we met up with some locals from Sanasana village to take us to the other side of this island where it's meant to be really beautiful.
Fiji time, no worry, no hurry. Enjoy your day today for the last day. But my cousin gonna look after you.
Alright, now we're on this island, you can see. And gonna walk through the trees over here, and then we'll get to another beach. I think we made it to the beach.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Someone can use it.
just cloudy this morning. Now it cleared up. It's a lot brighter now. It's not too hot. The water's just amazing. Look at this. Let's go. We're going back through the same halfway. Then we're gonna go to a cave next. Okay, so this is an ancient cave. So people would hide here during the times of tribal war
And cannibalism.
cannibalism. Ooh.
Yeah, this is kind of claustrophobic.
Okay.
Can you stand up there?
I can.
Almost. Okay, it gets bigger here.
Oh, it's really big.
Okay, now we can stand up. It's a lot bigger.
Not for long.
Let's try to get outside from here.
Oh, we're outside.
Oh, this is quite tight. Yeah, we're outside.
Guys, open your phone.
That's the hole that we were shown. Yeah, that's where we went.
All right, we're out.
Did you film it?
Yeah. All right, now we're back to the village.
Very nice. Very nice. Plenty fish?
Yes. Yeah, they're having
I'm gonna go kind of like. You didn't hit your leg? No.
Ah, okay. What about this?
You just
Okay, Val, that was very fun. We did a lot. I'm gonna go grab some lunch now, so yeah. This is my burger. This is my brother's pasta. It's really good.